Hello, everybody. It's CyberGeek here, and if you're on MetroPCS and the T-Mobile network, this video is going to show you how to bypass the data throttling to get unlimited high-speed 4G LTE data anytime you want. This hack is going to allow you to continuously reset your high-speed data and essentially give you unlimited high-speed data anytime you use this hack. I would first like to state that this is legitimate and it is a real hack. This is not a scam, and this does not require root. All that this hack requires is that you are using an Android device and that you have the My Metro app installed through MetroPCS. So unfortunately, I do not have an iOS fix for this right now or hack, but this will work on Android devices that are on the MetroPCS or T-Mobile network as long as you have the My Metro app. So I'll go ahead and get right into it. I released a video earlier this week on how to do this hack, and there was a lot of skepticism over this, over the fact that I had the My Metro app open when I started the video, and a couple other concerns in regards to its authenticity, just in regards to a couple aspects of the video. So I am going to debunk all of those right now. I would first like to state that this is in real time. I started this video using AZ Screen Recorder about a minute ago at 1:13. I'm currently recording, and it is 1:14. As you can see right now by the text messages from customer care this morning, I have depleted all of my high-speed top-up data. So these are the text messages I received earlier this morning, and I do not have any high-speed top-up data. So just running a speed test right now, I'm going to show you what I'm getting for my speed as far as the ping test. So I'm going to go ahead and run a ping test on this and show you all that I am throttled currently. So I am not receiving any high-speed data and I'm throttled. As you can see right now, it's very, very slow. That is just horrible. That would not be acceptable to do anything with. I probably couldn't even load a YouTube video with that speed. It is just utterly horrible, and unfortunately, that's what MetroPCS and the T-Mobile network does when you run out of your high-speed data. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the hack right now and how to do this. It's actually really simple, and I'm going to go ahead and let you all know, in order to do this, you have to do one simple thing first. It does not require root or anything special. Anybody can do this as long as you have an Android device and you're on My Metro with the My Metro app. It is going to require you to call 611 and talk to a customer care representative. When you call, all you need to do is complain about your internet speed. Tell them that it's unacceptable, that all of your data was wasted. Paid your bill this month, and this doesn't matter what kind of plan you're on. Me and my wife are on a family plan. We pay like $25 a piece each month. It's $50 a month. Just complain that your data has been running slow, and when you paid your bill, your phone had a bunch of updates that auto-updated, and you wasted your data. What that is going to do is they are going to give you a one-time courtesy top-up of a free gig of high-speed data, and that is what is required to do this hack. So as long as you get that one-time courtesy top-up, which they will give you that every single month for free, trust me, any customer care representative will hand that out like candy. So that is all that is going to be needed once you have gotten that on your phone in the one-time courtesy top-up. You are going to be able to reset that with this hack as many times as you want, essentially giving you high-speed, unlimited 4G LTE data anytime that you want throughout your pay period. So I'll go ahead and start off by showing you all that all of my data is completed. And bear with me, I've got a little bit of a cold right now. I know my voice probably doesn't sound the best. For the past month, my sinuses have just been killing me. So this is my plan. That's my wife's name. And as you can see, we pay $50 a month for a family plan. It's 25 bucks a piece, which isn't too bad. That's a really cheap family plan, considering how I have found a way to reset this data and just get unlimited high speed. It's great. So I have no problems with it. But as you can see, I'm on my data and I have depleted all of my top-up data. I have no high speed left at all. And I just showed you all the ping tests. I'm throttled. It sucks. All of my high speed is completely gone. So this is in real time, and this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the My Metro, show you how to do this hack. Just bear with me and follow every instruction that I tell you. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your settings. Once you're inside of your settings, you are going to click on More under Networks. You need to find Mobile Networks. Once you are in mobile networks, simply turn your data off on your mobile network and turn your data roaming off on your mobile network. Now, this is essential. You are going to need to turn your data back on, and then after you have your data turned on, you need to turn on your data roaming. It is important that you turn this on. After you do this, you need to scroll down to network mode. Once you are in network mode, you need to select a different network mode and then go back to GSM WCDMA LTE Auto. Make sure that that is selected as your network mode. After that is completed, you need to go to your access point names. Now, this is very important as well. Pay very close attention. You have to have this access point set up for this to work. So if you do not, just follow my quick instructions right here. You need to click the upper right-hand corner and add an APN. The APN that you need to add is this APN, so I will walk you through this. The name of the APN should be Metro, capital M, PCS, capital PCS, as seen in front of you. The APN should be fast.metropcs.com, all lowercase, as you see in front of you. And the MMSC needs to be typed out exactly how you see this in front of you, right here. So take a minute and write this down if you need to, but this is how you need it set up. You need the MCC set to 310, the MNC set to 260, and the APN type needs to be default SUPL, MMS, HIPRI for high priority. That is this right here. So you need to make sure that your APN type is set to that. Just go ahead and set the APN type to that, and you may have to change your APN protocol to IPv6 instead of IPv4. Once you have the APN set up as follows, as I just told you how to set it up, as long as it's exactly matching what I'm showing you in front of me, you need to select that access point. Now, once you have that access point selected, go ahead and go back into it and make sure that it's not set to go to a default other access point, which it should not, and make sure that that MetroPCS access point is active and selected on your phone. After you are done with that, you are going to need to go to Network Operators, and where it says Select Automatically, go ahead and click on that. It's going to automatically register you on the network again. Now, we're getting close to the end of this. There's one more step involved with this. You are going to need to go back into your My Metro app, and this is where it can get tedious. Sometimes this has a tendency to take a while to process or load. If you are on this screen for a period of time, or this screen right here where it says processing and it's not loading, just go ahead and back out of the application and go back into it. It's not too big of a deal, and wait for it to process your information. As you can see, the data is still depleted. However, if I turn the data maximizer on, and then I turn the data maximizer back off, as follows. Now when I exit this application, the throttle should be removed and my high-speed data should be reset. So that is completely processed. All I have to do is simply just exit the application, and I'm going to go ahead and do a ping test. Now, I know I'm in kind of a bad spot. I'm in my basement, but this should still give you an accurate representation of what my data is with the throttle bypassed. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. As you can see, I'm getting megabytes now. So everything has been bypassed. The throttle has been bypassed, and my high-speed data has been reset. So just to prove that to you all now, I'm going to go ahead and exit the speed test, go back into my MetroPCS, and I'm going to reload my data. And I'm going to show you all that it completely reset my top-up data. Now I am back on the high-speed 4G LTE data. And the cool thing about this hack is you can do it as many times as you want. So if you want to go ahead and use all your data really quickly, like I have been in less than a day, just go ahead and do this hack and reset it. I mean, you can do it multiple times a day. It doesn't matter. Once you have that top-up, this is going to let you reset it an infinite amount of times to just get unlimited high-speed data. So as you can see, my top-up data usage now is only at 83 kilobytes, and I still have pretty much damn near close to 3 gigs left. So I really hope you all enjoyed this. If anybody needs any help with how to do this hack, just go ahead and leave your questions or comments down below. And for any future Android tips or hacks, just please like, subscribe, and share. You all have a great day.